Hey, welcome to Off-Road Stuff. Thanks for following along. For any of you guys that have been following my page on Facebook or Instagram, you probably noticed a few of these pictures with this little gate project that I got going on. So anyways, we're working on I believe this is 16 by 5 is the size of the gate. I'm working with a 095 2x2 square tubing. Got the old Harbor Freight MIG welder out here. Got this thing cut, tacked. Got this sign set up on there, centered it up to figure out, make sure it all fit right. Here's my little welding trailer. I had to make these blocks to set the hinges on because they, in order to make the gate swing out flush with the fence, I had to do that. I got Bro Dizzle out there. My kid helped me move some stuff, do a little painting. There's the hinges right there. I think they're rated at like 900 pounds. Got those on Amazon. What else here? Well, we got it hung. We used one of their tow trucks to help hang the sign while I welded the hinges on there. Got it centered up. Got the chain tensioner hung up there with the turnbuckle. It just goes into a little pocket with a notch in it. Like a glove. So I think we basically got it done. The homeowner is gonna get some more wood pickets and basically just kind of frame it up to about where the latch is, and same on the other side, so that when you close it, it covers the gaps. For the lock, I just took this piece, I think it was like 1x1, cut 45 so I can put the screws in here, and then I put a slot in the side and I modified a gate latch so it just flips up and down, and so then it basically just does the same thing over on that side. I just put a little L bracket over there so that the little toggle has something to hook to. And that's pretty much a wrap. I'm gonna go load up the tubing that we didn't use and get on out of here. Thanks for watching.